Jadipal's student of nursery introducing some but to my classmate excellent work. Let's have a look on this and enjoy. Thank you.
I'm Mihin. I am born in Thaman village. My body color is yellow, brown and black. I eat grain and seed. I give you eggs and meat. Thank you. I am a peacock. I have 2 legs and colorful feathers. I have beautiful crown on my head. I dance in rainy season. I am the national bird of India. Thank you.
I am an owl. I have noses around face. I have a sharp beak. I can see at night. I eat fish, frog and insect. Thank you. I am an ostrich. I am a large bird. I have a long and strong beak. I can run fast. I cannot fly. Chee. I am a sparrow. I am a very small bird. I have 2 legs, 2 eyes, and 1 strong beak. And I have beautiful wings, and my wings colors are brown, gray, and black. I eat grains and seeds. World Sparrow Day is celebrated on 20th March. Thank you. Chee. I am a penguin. I have 2 flippers. I cannot fly. My body color is black and white. I live on the Iceland. I can swim fast. I eat small fishes. Thank you.
I am Maina. I am a small bird. I have dark brown body. I live in parks, gardens and everywhere. I build nests, trees and buildings. I eat fruits, vegetables and small insects. I can mimic the human voice. Thank you. I am a crow. I have a strong and sharp beak. My body color is black. I eat worms, insects. I live on the trees. I am a clever bird. My sound is caw, caw, caw. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Such a wonderful performance by my classmate with English Nursery and my another friend Asha Putkai. At first, would like to say thanks to our respected principal sir for giving us the platform to perform this activity. Thank you so much, sir, for your support. Thanks to our lovely class teacher for guiding